Okay, so let's say you have some sort of a gear train that you want to download some different gears, or possibly you're out there searching and looking at different robot designs. You found some Actobotic parts that were really interesting, looked kind of cool, that you thought would work really well for your robot, but you don't have that part downloaded. Let me show you how to go out to the Actobotics website and to download the CAD file or the inventor file of the different Actobotic parts. So here we go. First, you're just going to go to Google and just search for servocity.com. Servocity.com, almost one word. And here's the Servo City website. On the Servo City website, you just have to figure out what it is you're looking for. If you're looking for gears, and you can just go through here and kind of look through it. But if you're looking for servos, they have actually complete robots. But we're looking for probably motion components is where the gears are going to be. So we're going to look at our motion components. And they do show a lot of different gears. So here we're going to go rotary motion. So we're going to click on it. From there, we're probably just going to go with gears. So we're going to click on gears. Probably the hub mount you're going to want some of, but then here are the plain bore ones. Those are ones that are going to attach to your actual motors. So if you wanted a different one that attached to your motors, you can get it here. If you are fine with the ones attached to the motor that we have, that's great. But here's some, probably the hub mount ones we're going to need. So there you go. Honestly, I don't know what pitch our gears are. I don't know if those are 32 pitch or 48 pitch. That's basically the size of your teeth. You're maybe just going to have to guess, download one, and if it doesn't match up with the other gears that you already have, you're going to have to download the other one. But here we go. I'm going to go with 32 pitch. Sure, I want it to be a dry one, so I want it to be a tough one. I want it to be an aluminum one. Acetal, that's plastic. I don't really want a plastic one. I want a nice, strong one. And, oh, sure, half-inch bore is fine. So here we go. Here's all these different gears. They have 48 teeth all the way up to 80 teeth. So there, that part is the specs, tells you all about the specs of it. We want the resources tab. So we're going to click on the resources tab. And right there is the step files for them. Now it gives you by part number. So let's say we wanted this great big old 84th tooth one. Going to come down here. It's the 210. We're going to download. And here it is downloading a zip file of that. Let's open that up. And there is my step file. I'm going to have to extract that. So I'm going to click on extract. Where do I want to extract it to? I want to extract it to my folder where it should be. So mine is on my desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to go to my Actobotics folder. I'm going to go to my Gears folder. And I'm going to export it right there. And let's make it happen. Let me pause here. Okay, so mine was having a little bit of an issue, so I paused it there to figure out. And when I went to download, it was having an issue, and I was trying to figure out what was going on. It came up with a little message up here, a little exclamation mark, and it's like Servo City is trying to download multiple files, and I'm going to allow Servo City to do that. It's a well-trusted company, so I checked on allow them to do that. So, okay, once again, here's my step file. I'm going to go through that whole path again, extract. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to go to Actobotics. I'm going to go to my Gears folder. And right there, I'm going to extract it into that folder. Okay, it was giving me a little bit of static there, but I got it figured out. So I'm going to go back through this one last time here. All right, so we're going to click on this one. The 210 is what I'm going to download. So I'm going to do a download. I'm going to click on it here. It's going to open it. Now, it actually already is extracted. That's what I was having troubles with. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select it there. I'm going to go Control-C and copy it. And now I'm going to just go and put it into the folder where I want it to be. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to go into Actobotics. I'm going to go into my gears folder, and I'm going to just right click and I'm going to paste it right in there. I already have it pasted there, so it's going to tell me, oh, replace it. Yeah, sure, replace it. So there, I pasted it right there into that, and now I have that step file in my gears folder. All right, so now back to an inventor. So on inventor, I'm going to go to place. When I go place, I don't see it here. Well, it's because it's a step file. These are not step files. These are actually inventor files. These are IPT. They're part files. Step files is a different type of file. It's not recognized by inventor, just like this. But component files, IPTs, or IAMs, we need to change that to be able to see step files. So we're going to go down there to step files. And now you see I actually had a few other step files there. But there's my 210. I'm going to go ahead and put that 210 in there just so you can see what it looks like. And when this comes up, just agree with it. Go, okay. Nothing you need to worry about right now. And there it is. It's a very large gear. So there is that large gear, and I could put that in there wherever I wanted. So now, back there to the Actobotics website. You can go in there and you can find anything you want, you know. Let's see. Hardware. I don't know. I don't know what's going to be under hardware. Some interesting hinges. If you wanted a hinge that would be made to mount right to your stuff. Hardware. What's under hardware? No, maybe that's that's funny. That's what I just done. Structural components. Sure. Here's some different pattern mounts. Here's some different hubs. Here's some weird different hubs, but all different shafting and tubing. If you want any different shafts or tubes, some different things there. Just go out there and look, see what you can find. You can even just snoop through this website a little bit. But there you go. All of those should have the CAD files go with it. Let's see, ball bearing hubs. Sure, let's go there. Sure, let's pick that one. And under resources, right here is a step file for that one, and you should be able to pick on that and get that step file of it. So all should be right there for you, and you should be able to find those. All right, good luck with that. Again, I'm gonna set up a couple Zoom meetings next week or the next couple weeks in case you're struggling with these and you need help. All right, good luck.